Hey there friends, Jamie Jo from Jamie Jo Sells Wax here today, and I am excited because I have a box. It was delivered over the weekend, but I wanted to wait to open it with you guys. I know it is my Scentsy Club order, but honestly, I change my Scentsy Club order up sometimes, and I don't really remember what I had on this order. But I'm hoping that there's a new air filter in there because my air purifier really needs a new filter, and I don't have any in my stock closet because I usually add them to my club order because that's how I can get them half price. Anyway, guys, before we dive into this box, let me just introduce myself in case you're new to my channel. My name is Jamie Jo. Like I said at the first of this video, I'm a Scentsy consultant and I've been working with them for over 15 years, loving every single minute of it. I am a teacher by degree and I was teaching when I found Scentsy. Decided to jump on board with a partnership and have never looked back. I've been doing Scentsy full-time for over 13 years now. So Scentsy has really grown and expanded in that time. And one of the new things from the time I started is Scentsy Club. So this is my club order. And I'm gonna kind of talk to you guys about Scentsy Club while I unbox this because, you know, it's way more fun to have a conversation while someone's doing something, right? I don't know if that's true, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So Scentsy Club is our customer loyalty program. It's really cool because you can decide how often you want your club order to come. You can choose either every month, every other month, or every third month. So this one comes to me every third month. And most of this box is going to be fragrances that have already been discontinued, but they were on my favorite list, so I have them always come to me in club. And that's one of the perks of Scentsy Club is that, oh, I'm seeing my packing list in here and it makes me excited. One of the perks of Scentsy Club is that when you have a fragrance in Scentsy Club, Scentsy will always make it for you, even if it's discontinued. Guys, I'm excited because that filter is in there. I remembered to go on and change my order to make sure I had a filter. So speaking of that, that's another one of the perks of Scentsy Club. This is gonna be noisy for a second. That perk is that you can change up your order at any time. Now, the only thing you wanna make sure of is if you have any discontinued bars, that you keep them in there. You always wanna keep those in there to make sure that you always get them. But other than that, you can totally change it up. Let's see what all I had in this box. So I've already told you guys my air purifier filter was in there. Now I love to get these with my Scentsy Club because I have so many bars that I have in Always Get My Bar that I qualify for a half price item. When your Scentsy Club hits $60 or more, you get a half price item. Now this is normally a $35 item, so I get it for $17.50. If I'm needing a new purifier filter, that's what I get. If I have one of these in stock on hand, I always add a whiff box. Whiff box is our monthly surprise box. It's always valued over $35. Usually it's in like the $50 range. $35 retail, but you can get it half price in club. So that makes it $17.50. So that's kind of a no-brainer, but I needed a filter. So glad I got that. Guys, other than that, it is a stack of bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bars in my Scentsy Club. I think all of these, oh, I see some changes that I need to do. Let's just go through and we're going to talk about them and I'll tell you why I love them and if I need to make some changes. So this one is Soft Plumeria. It was part of our Epcot collection last year. I don't know if you know this, but Scentsy has a partnership with Disney resorts and parks. And one thing that we have every single year, well, we've had it the past 2 years, is representation at the Flower and Garden Festival in Epcot. Last year, during that time, they came out with an Epcot exclusive set, and I fell in love with this Plumeria. It reminds me of an old Bath and Body Works lotion that I wore in middle school a lot. So I had to have it all the time. I love this for a bathroom fragrance. It's a beautiful floral, and like I said, it's just reminiscent for me of a much easier, well, much easier time in my life. I don't know that middle school is easier, but anyway, I like it. This is Dark and Devious. It's from the Disney Villains collection. I love it because it's like a peppery scent. It's really spicy and deep. It's a really good mixer, and that's one of the reasons that I added it in there. If I have something that's like maybe a little too sweet or a little too florally, I can take and mix those up. I have not mixed Plumeria and Dark and Devious. Maybe I need to try that one. Mandarin Zest. Now this was from Easter collection either last year or maybe the year before. It's just so light and fresh and sugary. As I'm smelling it now though, maybe it's time to retire it and change up my mix a little bit. It is good, but I'm not like absolutely in love with it like I was when it came out. And that happens sometimes, but that leaves me room to add in different fragrances that maybe weren't in my club before. Red Cedar and Sage was one of our Bring Back My Bars just a couple months ago. I absolutely love this fragrance. It's very spicy and earthy. So good. This I had to have in my club. Not that I will be warming it really in the springtime. It's more of a fall scent for me. That's why I have just one bar of it every 3 months. I'm not going to be stockpiling this, but at least I'm going to have some on hand. Now, another one of our Bring Back My Bars from last time was Toasted Caramel Sugar. This is so yummy and sweet. It's from earlier in my Scentsy career, and I remember that it was a scent of the month. I can't even tell you what year, maybe 2010, 2011, that would be my guess. It was a scent of the month. I don't think it ever made it to the catalog, but I do remember that I had a room spray of it. And I was so selective as to when I would spray that room spray because I didn't want to be without this. It was a situation where we didn't have club. We didn't have always get my bar. So I couldn't get more of that scent. So I was really rationing out that room spray. But now I have this wax all the time, so I don't have to worry about that. I do see that this is a change I need to make. Whipped Vanilla Lavender. This I added into club when it was discontinued at the end of last spring and summer, but we know that it's in the brand new catalog, so I don't really need this in club. I like to reserve my club subscription for fragrances that I can't get any other way. So a lot of times during catalog transitions, I will put some in or take some out. So I know that I can take this one out of my club because I can get this for the next 6 months. I'll just want to make sure that if it's on the discontinued list in 6 months, I add it back in there. Scarlet Sunflower is my second all-time favorite fragrance. It was in this fall and winter. I'm hoping that it'll be back next fall and winter, but I didn't want to take a chance. So I went ahead and added it to my club. That way, if big tears, it doesn't come back next fall and winter, I've got some on hand. I have a little stockpile of that too. Now, I got 2 of this one. That tells you that this is good stuff, my friend. This is Hometown Cowboy. We had a collection last year, and it was all like leathery scents, which I love. But this Hometown Cowboy, I wish that they made a body wash in this or a lotion in this, because I would slather Paul all in this fragrance. It does things to me. It smells so good. It smells so good. Hometown Cowboy, if that ever comes back, you best be getting some of it because it's so yummy. Falling Leaves was another one of the Bring Back My Bars. I just like it. It's spicy and yummy. Again, this is one that I'll set back for next fall. I'm not going to be warming it this summer, but I wanted to build up a little stockpile of it for next fall. This is my all-time favorite Scentsy fragrance. It's called Luxe Vanilla. It's from a long time ago, and it's only been available in one set of Bring Back My Bar, but I added it to my Scentsy Club then. I wish I would have added a lot more because I use it up every time, and I'm waiting for another bar to come. It just relaxes me. That's why I love Luxe Vanilla. So that is what was in my Scentsy Club for this time. Like I said, this was my quarterly club. So these are fragrances and things that I'm not using all the time, but I know I don't want to be without them. So if club is something that intrigues you, jump over to JamiJoSellsWax.com. There is a button up at the top that says Scentsy Club or add to my club or whatever. I don't know, something about the club. Make sure you click up there and it will have all the details. If you just need to order some Scentsy, I'm your girl. I'd be happy to help you. JamiJoSellsWax.com. Place your order there. If you have any questions that you'd like to ask me, text me, 918-888-9690. I'm happy to help you with any Scentsy question that you might have. I want to make sure that you are getting exactly what you want and that you know what you're getting. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because I come at you guys every single day with a brand new video talking about something Scentsy related. Guys, my name is Jami Jo, and I hope that you have a sensational day.